Hey, 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 hey. Now, please put your hands together for the one and only, the hero of the film Tamasha.
हाय एवरीवन, ऑल ओके फाइन। मैं हूँ वेद, वेद वर्धन सहानी, तमाशा का हीरो। चलो तो फोटो अप कर लेते हैं। सुनील, मंगेश, प्रथमेश और कैमरा रेडी? ओके। क्या हुआ, एक्साइटमेंट इतनी कम क्यों लग रही है? ओ अच्छा, ग्लैमर थोड़ा कम है। कोई बात नहीं, मैं ही ग्लैमर को ले आता हूँ। हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name, Mona. Mona darling.
तो मैं आपको मोना बुलाऊं या डार्लिंग?
ओए जूनियर, जूनियर जूनियर बस मेरी बारी अभी, आ जा। हाय मोना डार्लिंग।
Welcome.
Thank you.
We didn't expect you here. We thought we'd only have to do all the promotions, Imtiaz and me. हम ही मैनेज कर लेते।
ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता, ये फिल्म की पब्लिसिटी तो मैं छोड़ने नहीं वाला।
अच्छा।
जहां भी ये पब्लिसिटी होगी मैं पहुंचने वाला हूँ और आगे देखते जाएंगे।
So you've learned everything?
Fully.
Really?
Really?
You know all the URLs?
Yeah, I'm back on my hand.
Say it.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media. Thank you so much कि आप यहाँ आए. We are releasing the first theatrical trailer of Tamasha, and which we're going to show you very shortly. So yeah.
Well done. But those were my lines.
But see what a helpful actor I am कि मैं आपकी भी लाइन सीख के आया हूँ.
Okay. So now say your lines. Stop posing. Say your lines.
बीट ले रहा हूँ. पॉज की नाम की भी चीज होती है. दिलीप साहब से सीख के आया हूँ.
बस.
देख क्या है कि we actors ना, we really don't know how what to say until we have dialogues, we have a director, we have a writer. So for that, can I call my director and
So you
writer?
don't know basically.
I don't know.
Yes, please.
Hey, Imtiaz.
मेरे दो अनमोल रतन।
देखो सर, इन्होंने कहा कि कुछ बोलो, लेकिन मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा कि जो भी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ बर्बाद करते अल्फाज मेरे. तो मैंने कहा, सोचा कि अगर आपको बुलाऊं.
सर, इस फिल्म के अल्फाज मैंने लिखे हैं।
वही तो सर, तो मैं इसको बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहता, तो आप ही
वो तो पता चल जाएगा किसने बर्बाद किया सर कुछ ही देर में।
सही बात है.
बट ये लोग एक्टिंग अच्छी करते हैं तो इनके लिए सब माफ है। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग हियर एंड आईड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन स्टेज आवर प्रोड्यूसर्स साजिद नदियादवाला एंड SRK सिद्धार्थ
here?
रॉय कपूर।
Good evening. It's been a great journey with Imtiaz as usual, and I hope you all like this experience as we had this experience working with this team.
So not that much to say other than I've worked with each of the people on this stage multiple times in the past and had great experiences each time we worked together. So we're really excited to share this trailer with you, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
I'd like to call Bhushan, please.
All the best to the team of Tamasha. I'm looking forward for the trailer. Songs are superb as always. So all the best.
Hope you enjoy the trailer. Thank you.
Sunil, Mangesh, who? Pratnesh.
तो पहला सवाल आप लोगों के लिए है। आपको पता है सवाल क्या होगा? कुछ फीडबैक दीजिए ना ट्रेलर पे, कैसा लगा, अच्छा बुरा? ठीक ठाक है, समझ में आ रहा है कुछ? यस ऑल राइट। नहीं, आप अलग से आना बहन, मैं समझाऊंगा आपको। ओके, अब सवाल आप पूछ सकते हैं।
हाय।
हाय इम्तियाज
थैंक यू।
इम्तियाज आलोक हियर फ्रॉम OFMR सेंटर में आप। सवाल ये है कि ये टैग लाइन क्या है, व्हाई ऑलवेज द सेम स्टोरी, इसके पीछे क्या क्या
क्या होता है ना कि अक्सर एक ही तरह की चीजें होती है जिंदगी में, फिर हम ब्लेम करते हैं कि हालात ऐसे थे, क्या करें, वी कुडंट, दिस इज हाउ इट हैपेंस, सच इज लाइफ, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, एंड यू फॉल प्रे to the same situation that somebody else has before you, and you become an engineer and or a doctor or an actor, but you never become who you are really, an individual, जो आप दरअसल हो। तो वही कहानी फिर एक बार हो जाती है आपके साथ भी, unless and until you take control of your life and you change that, say that मुझे नहीं मजा आ रहा, मैं इसको चेंज करूंगा, अपनी एंडिंग खुद बनाऊंगा, और फिर एक दूसरे तरह का तमाशा होता है।
रणबीर एंड दीपिका, आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे कि ऐसा क्या आप नहीं करते हैं जिसकी वजह से कोई तमाशा हो जाए? अक्सर हम कहते हैं ना कि यार तमाशा ना बन जाए, तो कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो आप, जिन चीजों का बेहद ख्याल रखते हैं।
देखिए, मेरा तो मानना है कि हम एक्टर्स हैं, हम शो बिजनेस में हैं, सो जब तमाशा होता है तो अच्छी बात होती है, गुड या बैड, बट आई थिंक एक हद होता है, आप हद को पार नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन ये एक, आई थिंक ये अच्छी चीज़ है कि ये तमाशा बना। ये मेरी दूसरी फिल्म है इम्तियाज़ के साथ, दूसरी फिल्म है साजिद भाई के साथ, मेरी तीसरी फिल्म है दीपिका के साथ, और मेरी 11वीं फिल्म है सिद्धार्थ रॉय कपूर के साथ। सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू वर्क विद दिस टीम। आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर रॉकस्टार ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया, बहुत कुछ दिया, यू नो, लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस, लॉट ऑफ अवार्ड्स, लॉट ऑफ रिवॉर्ड्स, लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग। I learned a lot working with Deepika. You know, we started our second film together, बजना है सीनो। फिर हमने जब जवानी दीवानी की थी, वो बहुत बड़ी हिट हुई थी। And I think I got to learn a lot just to see her growth as an actor. You know, क्योंकि मैं वो 5 साल के बीच we never worked together, लेकिन जब हमने वो फिल्म में काम किया, तो just to see her grow as an actor and to this extent was really heartwarming and was really encouraging and really inspiring for me. तो मेरे लिए तमाशा is very special, you know, to come with this team together. And I really hope कि you know, the people give the film a chance at the theaters and they enjoy the film.
दीपिका, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
I've forgotten your question listening to him. Sorry.
आप एक दूसरे सवाल का जवाब दे दीजिए। खुली सड़क पे मटर गश्ती कर पाती हैं आप भारत में?
I think it depends on each individual what they want to do. I don't think there's anything that an actor can't do. I think it depends on everything that comes with being in the limelight or with being a public figure. So can he and me do matar gashti in the middle of the road? Of course we can. If we want to, of course we can. But will it be convenient for, not for us, but will it be convenient for people around us? Maybe not. So I think it depends on the situation.
Hi, Rashmi here from Ismalni. I just wanted to ask Imtiaz actually, this movie was originally called Window Seat, right? We had heard, and here. And now it's called Tamasha, which is a very different kind of name. So what prompted the change, and why do you think this is a more appropriate title for the
I think
film?
first it was a producer's call.
I've made Highway also.
Very often there's a working title to a script that you're writing. For instance, Jab We Met was called Train, or Love Aajkal was called Elastic. These are all working titles. You got to write it. It never really
Saif Ali
is.
Khan and Deepika in Elastic.
Rockstar was called Rockstar. So in this case, it was called Window Seat, but it was not a title for the film. It was just a working title.
Ranveer, Deepika, hi. Deepika, firstly, I loved your the way you come into the trailer of this film. जिस तरीके से आपने डायलॉग बोले हैं वो फिरंगी को, वैसा कुछ डायलॉग अभी मतलब विदाउट सेंसर अगर लाइव अनसेंसर्ड रियल दीपिका पादुकोण कुछ बोल के दिखाए तो मजा आ जाएगा सुनने में.
पहला चीज है
नहीं है इसीलिए. दीपिका, एक बार प्लीज.
Another time.
All right. What would be that one story? You know, यहाँ पे why always the same story? What would be that one story from Ranveer and Deepika, your personal lives, जो एक बार आप फिर से दोबारा दोहराना चाहोगे?
I think the success of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani with this film, I think वो definitely दोहराना चाहेंगे.
All right, Deepika?
I have to agree with him.
Sajid Bhai also agrees. That's it.
Hi, Deepika.
I would say the experience of Tamasha.
Hi, I'm from the Bus Diary. My question is to both Ranveer and Deepika. Like in the trailer, we see you guys like, I think Ranveer has a fake life. He has gone out of a mold and doing things. Do you ever feel like that in real life as a celebrity, that you guys need to go to some place in the world and just forget about it and live like that in the movie? Like living like how it's in the movie, fake. You
Well,
want to like leave everything behind and
No,
go
no,
somewhere?
absolutely not. Nobody wants to leave anything behind. But I think in
Yeah.
the movie, what you see, the characters Ved and Tara, when they meet in Corsica, they decide, okay, you know, we are here for this period of time. Let's just not give our identities out, because what happens is everything becomes routine. You know, I will tell you who I am, you will tell me who you are, then this will happen, then I'll hit on you, and then finally we'll have an affair, and then you'll fall in love with me. So they just wanted to really have the time of their lives, and they wanted to do it with abandon, without any judgment, without anything. We all want to do that in our lives. You know, sometimes it's not possible, that's why we make movies about it. But I believe that whatever film Imtiaz Ali makes, he has done it in his life for sure.
Yeah, is
you
that true?
That is true, because whenever he used to narrate a scene to me and Deepika, we always used to say, "Sir, ये आपने किया है ना life में?" Because it's so real. At the same time, it is so new. You know, like there is no sense of okay, yeah, we have heard of this, yeah, ये कहीं देखा है. That's why his dialogues, his language, his moments are very new when you see them, especially the love story side of Imtiaz Ali. So, sir, have you done this in your life? Gone and lived in abandon, called people Jhand Fakir, Suar Ki Aulad?
Sir, are you a press member?
No, sir, but this is a pressing matter and I really want to know, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, Ranveer and Deepika.
Good question.
Okay, he said, okay. Is it fake? I don't think it's fake. I just think that, no, I would say that sometimes it probably comes with certain responsibilities, you know, and maybe then that's why one has to, you know, maybe that's why you have to carry yourself a certain way and be careful about what you say or not, depending on how each person decides to lead their own life. But for the people who do and realize that, you know, sometimes that it comes with a little bit of responsibility. You have the youth who looks up to you. You know, if you're role models for people, then I guess at some level, I think the most ideal case would be if you can live your life the way you want to and find the balance of being responsible and realizing that you have responsibilities towards your fans and the audience. So if you can find that balance, then nothing like it.
छोड़ो बोरिंग बातें साली, मस्त रहो जम के खाओ, ले लो पंगे चढ़ लो सूली, खोल दो बंधन घोल दो लस्सी, बोल दो किस्सा, सभी जनों का दिल बहलाओ, शोर मचाओ मारो ठुमका, फेंक बिखेरू मन की चांदी, दिल का सोना आंख की मोती सब अर्पित है आपकी खातिर. हम हम आपके नौकर हैं मालिक। टाई पहनकर लिफ्ट में चढ़कर फिर आएंगे आपके आंगन, वही करेंगे जो रोज किया है, वो फिर से करेंगे, फिर से करेंगे, फिर से करेंगे। अच्छा बेटा, कभी इधर तो कभी उधर, अंदर क्या है, अंदर क्या है, कौन से रंग का दिल है तेरा, क्या चाहता है,
बोलो
बोलो,
जवाब दो।
जवाब दो।
Hi Ranbir and Deepika. Hello. The two of you share a sizzling chemistry in this trailer. And you know, Ranveer Singh had
क्या है
famously.
कि हम शॉट के पहले वो योको का सिजलर प्लेटर बुलाते थे, we should sit on it and then give our shot.
You know, Ranveer Singh had famously said that Deepika feels that her chemistry with you is the best. So I want to ask you, do you feel the same way? And Deepika, you also have Bajirao Mastani coming up. So if I forced you to choose, which chemistry do you think is better?
Do we always have to like pick one over the other? No, I don't think so. First of all, it was in context to something completely else and something completely different. No, I think it depends on the kind of film. I think it depends on the way the characters are written. I think it depends on what a director can extract from the two actors that he's cast. Can I compare Ranbir and me in Tamasha or Ye Jawani to Ranbir and me in Ram Leela or Bajirao? No, I can't. Because we're playing completely different characters. There is a certain kind of baggage or backstory or whatever's that required of each character, and you execute that. So I think it really depends on the film and on the characters and what the director can extract from the actors.
And Ranveer, your thoughts on chemistry with Deepika?
It's very good, and I'm extremely happy about it. But like Deepika said, you know, now it all depends on Tamasha. If people don't like Tamasha, God forbid, then people will probably think that our chemistry is not so good. You know, it's also so dependent on success, on the way we've performed, on the way the film has been perceived. So it's all film by film. But I'm really happy that, you know, people have liked our pairing together, and I hope that they continue doing so.
Ranbir, congratulations for your trailer. My question is to you, Ranbir. Here.
Here
Ranbir.
doesn't help, boss.
Hi.
Hi. The trailer is fantastic. My question to you is, you have reunited with your favorite director and favorite actors. So somewhere around, do you feel pressurized on the context of your past movies? Do you feel pressurized a little bit?
Actually, lesser, because, you know, I have such talents now. You know, it's not that I didn't have talents before. But this is like home for me, you know, working with Imtiaz is so comfortable because I know that he's looking out for me. He's directing every breath of mine because he cares for me, and he makes, you know, he brings it out to me, okay, sir, this is not good, sir, this is not good. And he'll continue to make me do better in life. Same with Deepika. I think both of them really care for me, and, you know, they really care that I do well in life. So I feel less pressure when I'm working with them. Probably when I go outside and work with people I haven't worked with, I'll feel more pressure then.
Okay, Imtiaz sir, मेरा सवाल आपसे, during Rockstar you said that Jordan character is inspired by one of your friends. So ये जो character Ranbir Kapoor का, is it inspired by some of any of your friend, or is it inspired by you? आप बता दीजिए, clear कर दीजिए.
There are many aspects in many people that have been taken into this character. It's not one person, but yes, these things I've seen in my life around me. People in this predicament or this situation. Yeah.
दीपिका मेरा सवाल आपसे है, रितेश इधर। रणबीर ने जितने भी मूवीज आज तक की हैं, उनमें सबसे ज्यादा प्यार आपको किस कैरेक्टर से हुआ? क्योंकि फिल्म का प्लॉट भी लगभग उसी तरह। किस कैरेक्टर से?
किसने? किस एक्टर ने?
आपने।
मैंने।
जी। रणबीर की
Asking me the question? And then
रणबीर की फेवरेट मूवी आपकी कौन सी आपको लगती है? जी।
Such a long list, yaar. If I had to choose one, I think Barfi. No?
Hi Ranbir.
Ranbir.
I am Pankaj from glamsham.com. Some months ago, Arjun Kapoor had said that they really, your contemporaries and the newer actors, they really look forward to what you are coming up with next, and they are very keen to, you know, they respect you as an actor, and they think that you might be the next superstar. So
देखिए सबसे पहले तो मैं ये नेक्स्ट 7 साल से सुन रहा हूँ तो मैं हूँ नहीं तो जब होगा तो बताना बट लाइक आई सेड कि अभी फिलहाल पता नहीं यू शुड आस्क मी इन द नेक्स्ट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस इफ दे स्टिल लुक अप टू मी बट आई होप कि विद तमाशा इट reinstates that fact that you know I'm doing good work but the honest truth is we all are doing good work because the quality of cinema has really improved, new ideas, new minds, actors are becoming fearless, you know the kind of movies now I mean Deepika is doing just the selection of movies, you know, it's pushing the boundaries of cinema, it's pushing the boundaries of performance, of box office collections. You know, so I think we all are inspiring each other. There is no like, you know, front person or a back person. I think we all are all together taking the onus of taking this industry forward and taking the legacy forward of, you know, all the great films that Sajid Bhai has made or produced, or what you know, UTV has done and Sid has been doing all these years. I think it's up to all of us right now to carry it forward. Not that I'm saying that you're old or that, you know, the Lifetime Achievement Award nahi hai, but I'm saying it's balanced.
Ranveer, do you think Ranveer and Deepika, do you think your characters are a bit similar to what you guys played in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani in this film?
Not at all. Can I justify that right now? I don't know. I don't think it'll be right for me to say, oh, this is the difference between that character and this character. You'll figure that out when you watch the film. But the film itself is completely different. The characters are completely different. Everything about the film is different.
Imtiaz ji,
Ranveer
hello.
here. Ranveer towards your left. Here. Ranveer, one of the major reasons why Ye Jawani Ye Diwani was a yeah, I'm back, Deepika. Thank you. One of the major reasons why we loved Ye Jawani Ye Diwani was your pairing with Deepika Padukone, and given the fact that she has delivered a lot of blockbuster hits after that, and also with Ranveer, can we say that she will be a lucky charm this time around?
You asked me the same.
No. That was a different one. I have.
You framed it slightly differently.
And you liked it.
First.
I did not. I gave you a very nice answer. Okay, anyway.
First of all, I think it's not fair to label anybody as a lucky charm. I think Deepika, whatever she's achieved is because of her hard work and her dedication. But yes, I hope her luck rubs out, the luck word that you're saying, rubs off on me and not mine on her. You know, yahi dua karta hu. But like I said, you know, we're really happy with this film. We're really happy that, I mean, really proud, you know, with this film. And do come and see it at the theatre near you.
Ranveer, one more thing. One thing which is astoundingly amazing and unique between you and Deepika and in the context of Bollywood is the fact that two former lovers collaborating for a professional reason.
अच्छा आप ये selfie लेके बोल रहे हो कि आप हमको
No, sir, this is not a selfie, this is a video.
Okay.
The question is, we rarely see that happen in Bollywood where two former lovers come together for a movie. So how do you guys do it so amazingly well?
It's बहुत simple है.
Such a unique
सुबह मैं उठता
question.
हूँ घर पे, ये उठती है घर पे, नहा धोती है, ये सेट पे पहुँचती है, मैं सेट पे पहुँच जाता हूँ. इम्तियाज अली हमें सीन बताते हैं और हम शूट करते हैं. Finished. Yes. Yes.
And say who
And Bhagat Singh ji also. Yes. Yes, you believe right. No, my family is back in India now. I'll be shooting on that day. But it's always great to be at work on your birthday. I don't believe too much in birthdays. I think it's a very it's a day which makes me very sad because you're supposed to, sir, आप क्यों ऐसा चेहरा बना रहे हो? Because I feel that you have to feel the most special on that day, and it never met my expectations. So I'm happy that I'm working on my birthday.
How can we make it special for you?
If everyone sings for me, I can take good wishes. All
Sing
your good
now?
wishes, yes.
Sing now. Okay. We'll sing at the end of the press conference. Okay.
I've been having a lot of family dinners. It's not that on my birthday. He's saying that I should invite you for one of those dinners.
So Imtiaz.
Imtiaz
over here.
Imtiaz ji, this is quite.
Yes. Mic किसके पास है?
मेरे पास
Yeah, Imtiaz over here. To your left.
Yeah.
Extreme left. So Imtiaz, your last movie as rock star. Can you just?
इम्तियाज जी, आपके लिए प्रश्न है. इम्तियाज जी, आपके लिए प्रश्न है. जैसा कि आपकी फिल्म में
Sorry, who's sitting behind the cameras? And behind them? if anyone wants to ask me.
हाँ इम्तियाज जी, जैसा कि आपकी फिल्में जो होती हैं एक फलसफियाना ट्रैक पे भी चलती हैं, और एक गालिब का एक शेर है कि बाजी चे अतफाल है दुनिया मेरे आगे, होता है शब रोज़ तमाशा मेरे आगे। तो आपको अपनी फिल्मों के लिए टैगलाइन इस तरह से भी मिल जाती है कभी, या एक ट्रैक मिल जाता है स्टोरी लाइन इस तरह से भी?
जी हाँ।
और दीपिका, आप इम्तियाज जी की फिल्मों को किस तरह से देखती हैं? इस तरह से उनके सिनेमा को
Okay, Deepika. Yeah.
Deepika.
Well, Deepika,
Deepika, my
we
question
saw you
here,
just
center, in the
using a
center.
lot of slang words and abusing.
Deepika at the center.
Hello.
Yeah. Deepika, talking about Ranbir's birthday, what is one special gift you would like to give him on his birthday?
He has everything. I think just good wishes and love and happiness, that's all. He's got everything.
I think
going
she
for
can
him.
give him some cash.
Check will also do, sir.
Check will also do.
So Deepika, we saw you just using a lot of slang words. Deepika, yeah. To your left, Deepika, yeah, to your left. So we saw you using a lot of slang words and abusive words.
So I told you so.
Ban.
Okay, just let me, yeah. So in Bollywood, already they are bad boys. They are liked a lot. So is it like that you are going to prove that bad girls will be liked as well? Like,
I think I
Guys,
should.
1 second. You all tell me if I should answer this question or not. Please, you all tell me.
Good afternoon.
Sorry.
Check.
हेलो
check.
इम्तियाज जी
Mic.
हाँ।
जी।
आपकी जो फिल्म है, जितनी भी फिल्में हुई हैं, उनमें कहीं ना कहीं छोटे शहर, आप खुद एक छोटे शहर से ताल्लुक रखते हैं, और आपकी हर फिल्म में वो छोटा शहर, उसका कल्चर और उसकी खूबसूरती कहीं ना कहीं मौजूद होती है। इस फिल्म के पोस्टर में वो खूबसूरती नजर आ रही है, लेकिन ट्रेलर में नहीं। क्या वाकई है वो कहीं ना कहीं?
बिल्कुल है, आपको बहुत खुशी होगी अगर आपने ये प्रश्न पूछा है, तो आप खुद आप इसका उत्तर ढूंढिएगा फिल्म में, और मेरी गारंटी है कि आपको बहुत अच्छा
जी,
लगेगा।
तमाशा के अलावा जो थोड़ा सा स्टेज में दिखाया गया, उसके अलावा क्या खूबसूरती है छोटे शहर की?
वो आप देखिएगा तो पता चलेगा ना। खूबसूरती देखने की चीज होती है, बोलने की नहीं।
जी, आपने इन दोनों के साथ अलग अलग फिल्मों में काम किया है, और इसमें दोनों साथ हैं, तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा, बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा। मैं इन दोनों को एज एक्टर्स
Keep saying.
बहुत नापसंद करता हूँ। मुझे लगता है इनमें कोई भी मेरिट नहीं है एज एक्टर्स, तो इस वजह से मुझे एक्चुअली मेरे लिए भी एक लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस होती है जब आप अच्छे एक्टर्स के साथ काम करते हैं। तो रणबीर के साथ और दीपिका के साथ मैं पहले भी काम कर चुका हूँ। ये और हमेशा हर सीन में जिस तरह से मैंने सोचा था कि इस तरह से हम करेंगे ये सीन, उससे अलग ही हुआ है, और ये अलग इनके टैलेंट की वजह से हुआ है। और मुझे इस बात का यकीन है कि मैंने कभी भी इतने अच्छे दो एक्टर्स के साथ काम नहीं किया है।
थैंक यू।
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody.
रणबीर,
Good afternoon.
कटरीना को
I have the mic. Good
मैंने सुना
afternoon.
आपका क्वेश्चन, उन्होंने अभी तक देखा नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी 4:30 बजे रिलीज होता है ट्रेलर, तो जब देखेंगे तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा।
लेकिन आपने उनको दिखाया तो
नहीं, मैंने खुद, मैं यहाँ के मैंने देखा है अभी, जब मैं बैठा था
तो
तब
आप
मैंने
मेरे
देखा।
सवाल को इग्नोर क्यों कर रहे थे?
तो अभी ये जवाब नहीं था क्या?
मतलब मेरे को 3 बार पूछना पड़ा।
बट मोहतरमा जी दूसरे भी सवाल पूछ रहे थे ना, सॉरी।
Ranbir, thank you.
देखो,
Ranbir,
अगर मैं आपका दिल ना तोड़ता तो झनकार कहाँ से आती?
वाह 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 वाह।
Ranbir, good afternoon. Imtiaz,
Wait. She's messaging it to somebody. She's saying.
ये एक सेकंड।
He said this to me. Oh my God.
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन है। हाँ,
बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन था। पूरी रैप पार्टी मैंने ही बनाई थी। नहीं, इट्स अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस टू वर्क विद इम्तियाज। मजा आता है व्हेन ही टेल्स अस के नेक्स्ट वीक हमको पेरिस में जाना है, कॉर्सिका टू शूट, फिर नेक्स्ट वीक हमें जापान जाना है शूट। सो वी हैव टू बी इन गुड बुक्स विद ऑल द एम्बेसी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, कि ये किसी भी दिन बोलते कि नेक्स्ट डे हम यहाँ चले जाएंगे और वहाँ, बट in the end result is fantastic, and we are growing as a production house because of him. Thank you.
Ranbir and Deepika.
सिद्धार्थ, तो इस फिल्म हम कितने स्क्रीन के साथ रिलीज कर रहे हैं?
check.
Thanks for giving me one question. Yeah.
Ranbir? If you can hear me. Yeah, this mic.
नहीं नहीं बुरा लग रहा है कि आपको ऐसा लगा क्योंकि हमने तो यही कोशिश की है कि हम एक नया किरदार प्रस्तुत करें एक नया एक फिल्म प्रस्तुत करें बट मैं यही अच्छी विश्वास है कि जब आप फिल्म देखोगे तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा नहीं क्योंकि ये एक नया फिल्म है एक नई कैरेक्टर है
I don't think
देखो
this.
सर
Oh God, one more.
कीटाणु किरमी दिखता नहीं है गॉड की तरह पर होता है जरूर क्या बात आ जाता है क्यों आता है नोबडी नोज अंदर क्या है कौन से रंग का दिल है तेरा क्या चाहता है बोलो जवाब दो अंदर क्या है दीपिका अंदर है
Good afternoon, everybody. Congratulations on the trailer launch. Ranbir, Deepika, Imtiaz, Vikram from NDTV. Before the trailer launch, the promotions of the film started on a very good note. I mean, it was very different. The vlogs were very interesting. Ranbir, a bit of laughing at yourself, considering, I mean, there's a drag maybe that Ranbir doesn't promote his films enough. Do you also agree with that?
Not at all, yeah. Thapa, to be honest, you know, I'm an extreme, I'm very proud of my movies. I'm really happy with the kind of people I work with. And if it was my last film, Bombay Velvet, if it was before that, Besharam, or Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, I've promoted equal number of days. Sometimes what happens is like a film like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, because it has Badtameez Dil and Balam Pichkari, that does. Then a film like Bombay Velvet, because it doesn't have the songs or doesn't have the kind of world which is enticing a large audience, so people think that maybe it's lesser promotion. So it all depends on film to film. Where this was concerned, and you know, to take a Mickey out of yourself, I'm all for it. You know, I think you know, to laugh at yourself, there's nothing greater than that. And if you laugh at yourself, you know, then at some point the audience will laugh with you also. But like I said, this was a very innovative idea that Imtiaz thought and Mohit thought, the gentleman standing out there. And we never really thought, we thought it's a very small idea and, you know, maybe it'll get a little traction, but, you know, it got noticed pretty well. And I think we're going to take this forward also, you know, we're going to...
Yeah, because this is what we do anyway.
Yeah.
So it's become easy for us now.
Yeah.
You know, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani is such a huge hit. Why would it take so long for the two of you to come together and create magic again on the screen?
I keep asking people the same thing. I don't know. I think it's not just about coming together for the heck of coming together, but I think it's also important that the director who casts us eventually does justice to the film, to the fact that he's cast us and how he wants to use us. So could we have done films before this? Of course we could have done films before this, but I think it has to be special. Of course, you don't set out with the intention of, oh, it has to be like this. But I think the feeling was right. He offered us the film. He heard it separately. I heard it separately. We were both on board, and we can now hope, and we've definitely had a great time making the film. And now we just hope that we get the same kind of love and appreciation that we got with Ye Jawani.
Ranbir,
So there's no formula to that, really. I mean, these things just
Sid, how
happen.
many screens are we going to release the film with?
72,809.
We'll
Do we
take
have a
the
China
last-
release?
We'll take the last two
Okay,
questions.
one final question, Ranbir. I mean, it's a little away from Tamasha, but not very far away, again, considering it considers you as well.
See, I don't know any...
The FIR against you today, do you know anything about it? And
Yes,
how do you react to it?
I heard about it actually when I flew back, so I asked my people concerned, and they said it's against something called Ask Me Bazaar, which I'm not a part of. तो मैं तो बच गया भाई.
Hello, Imtiaz ji. Imtiaz ji.
Ji,
Hello,
Ajay ji,
here,
Ajay ji.
towards your right. Hello.
थैंक यू जी. देखिए सबसे राहुल नंदा ने ये पोस्टर डिजाइन किया है और ये पोस्टर हम सबका फेवरेट था। ये जो है ये एक वर्किंग स्टिल से लिया हुआ फोटोग्राफ है, इन द सेंस दैट ये दरअसल शूट जब कर रहे थे तो हमारे फोटोग्राफर ने इसको क्लिक किया था और उसको यूज किया गया है।
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
या
ऐसा
अमन
होता
has
सर?
clicked this, yeah. So, बाकी कैरेक्टर्स ऐसा है कि आपको हटना पड़ेगा। ऐसा है कि ये देखिए बहुत सारी कहानियां चल रही हैं। रोमियो जूलियट है, राम जी हैं, हनुमान हैं, और यहाँ सीता हैं, ये लैला मजनू हैं, सोनी महिवाल हैं। बहुत सारी कहानियां आपके इर्द गिर्द चलती रहती हैं और उसके बीच में आपकी खुद की कहानी होती है। तो वेद और तारा की जो कहानी है वो हमारा मेन फोकस है इस पिक्चर में, मगर बाकी दुनिया की कहानियां उनके आसपास चलती रहती हैं।
इम्तियाज जी, आपने बैक टू बैक बहुत हिट्स दिए हैं। हेलो हेलो इम्तियाज जी, आपने बैक टू बैक बहुत हिट्स दिए हैं। जब आप कोई फिल्म लिखते हैं या आने वाली फिल्म पे इस पे कितना प्रेशर पड़ता है आपकी?
एकदम प्रेशर नहीं पड़ता है, कुछ याद नहीं रहता है कि पिछली फिल्म क्या थी और वो कितनी चली थी। आपको सिर्फ ये रहता है कि प्रोड्यूसर मान जाए, कॉर्सिका ले जाए इस तरह की आपकी टेंशन रहती है, वो इतनी होती है, आप उसी में उलझे रहते हो। बट सीरियसली आई डोंट वरी अबाउट द प्रीवियस फिल्म्स, वंस दे आर ओवर देन इट्स ऑलवेज द एक्साइटमेंट फॉर द न्यू वन।
इम्तियाज फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर से मेरा सवाल है, दोनों से, आपको तमाशा से क्या आपकी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं? कितने बिजनेस कर सकती है फिल्म?
See, I don't want to give a prediction about the business, but we've done films like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani together before, and we know the fact that this is a pair, and each actor in their own right is loved universally by the masses of India. And if you give them a film that they want to see with these actors in it, and which is directed by someone like Imtiaz, the sky's the limit. So, while saying I didn't want to give any expectations, I've ended up doing so. So, yeah.
दीपिका, रणबीर या आप लोगों से सवाल है, इम्तियाज जी आपसे भी सवाल करना चाहेंगे, सेंटर लुक। इम्तियाज, इन दिनों जो सोशल नेटवर्किंग का ज़माना है, सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पे ही सारी चीज़ें होती हैं। अब नया रूल निकलने वाला है कि जो मैसेजेस आते हैं उन्हें हम 3 महीने तक डिलीट नहीं कर सकते। तो इस पर क्या आप लोगों का टेक ऑन है? क्या ये कितना सही होगा? व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक,
ये आप डिलीट नहीं कर पाएंगे 3 महीने
जी
तक।
जी ऐसा
तो कुछ खराब मैसेज भेजो नहीं। पहला तो एक विशेष टिप्पणी दे रहा हूँ आपको।
जी।
अगर आपका बॉयफ्रेंड है तो किसी पराये मर्द को मैसेज ना करें। और क्या कहना चाहोगे?
आप लोग क्या
अच्छा था।
दीपिका आप क्या रिएक्ट करेंगे इस पे? दीपिका आपका रिएक्शन। प्लीज रणवीर, दीपिका या आपका रिएक्शन।
ये एक्चुअली हमें पता नहीं था, ये बहुत ही दुखद है मेरे ख्याल से। बिकॉज क्या होगा कि वो बतौर सबूत यूज किया जा सकता है 3 महीने तक। 3 महीने तक इनसिक्योर रहना पड़ेगा कि अरे मैंने क्यों ये मैसेज भेजा। मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत बुरा हुआ है हम लोगों के साथ।
रणवीर और साजिद, you just now said आपका रिएक्शन मिल गया। दीपिका आपने कुछ नहीं कहा।
वो शी इज रीलिंग अंडर शॉक।
And Sajid, thank you.
What do I do
Sajid bhai, what is your reaction?
Same question. I've just sent some ones.
Yeah, that's what. Now what do we do? Now it's too late.
And Sajid, you said that he would take you all over the places for shooting, So with that comes an added perk of budget. So what do you have to say about the director?
Shooting with Imtiaz, the budget is actually the cost. जो भी कॉस्ट होता है फिर वो बजट हो जाता है।
And Ranveer इसमें है why always the same story, और उसमें there's a dialogue which says कि मजनू को कपड़े फाड़ने पड़ते हैं, और अभी आपने एक अपनी मजनू आयत की एक मिसाल भी दिखाई जर्नलिस्ट को झनकार पैदा करके। तो आपने कब कपड़े फाड़े?
मैंने टावल गिराए, कपड़े नहीं फाड़े। नहीं, मैंने इसके कपड़े फाड़े हैं। हाँ, एक हमारी ग्रैब पार्टी हो रही थी और कुछ ऐसा हुआ।
Thank you, media.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, bhai.
Thank you.